So what is Dynamo? I will give you the very, very brief description of what Dynamo is. This is all Dynamo is. And by the way, we have the founder of Dynamo in the audience right here, Ian. So if you have any issues with Dynamo, don't vet them here. Vet them right there. Okay. All right. It's an honor for you to be in the. It's an honor for you to be in the room. Thank you. Okay. So this is all Dynamo is. All right. Dynamo is a free program. It's absolutely free. It's open source. Okay. It is a program that is development is supported by Autodesk. I think that's the right way to say that. Okay. And this is all it is. This is how exciting. Oh, so excited. Watch this. Okay. This is all Dynamo does. It's basically you open it up and it links to Revit. And all you want to do, if you want to do a function, change a sheet name, change a parameter, all you do is just drop down that particular function, and it's just a node. You just drop it down, boom, change sheet name. And then if you need to feed information to it, then like the actual sheet name, what is it called? Then you type it in and you just wire it up. So that's all it is. It's just basically boxes and wires, okay? That kind of information flows back and forth. So this particular example, 2, 4, 6, 7, if anyone was in the lab, you saw this. This is just 7 nodes. And you know what this does? This actually extracts adaptive component point locations and writes them to an Excel spreadsheet. That's what this does in 7 nodes. We did it in about 10 minutes in a lab. Can anyone tell me what this does? This is a traditional API code. Can anyone tell me what this does? Confuses the hell out of you. Very, okay, great. I said any comment, you shout it out. That's okay, yes. Confuses me too. Confuses me too. Okay, anyone else? Go ahead and blurt this out. Does anyone know what this does? Same thing. Okay, so what would you rather learn? This or this? Right, this. Right, absolutely. And the thing is, when you start programming in Dynamo, because yes, when you get home and you start laying down nodes and wires and you hit save, you will be a programmer. You don't need to learn all this complicated C# language and the using statements and all that. It's just drop down nodes, hit run, and you've already extended the functionality of Revit, and you're an instant programmer. That's how awesome it is. Okay, so today I've picked about 4 examples that we're going to go through. The people in the lab, you've already seen the first one. We're going to get a little kick on it, so a little more advanced. And I'm going to show you how, through these examples, you can kind of start to think about how you can use it in your everyday workflow. Okay, so here's the examples. Actually, I got something else to show. So I said, what's this visual programming stuff? Well, what is this stuff? And I've heard of Grasshopper, but I'm not a Grasshopper. Anyone a Grasshopper user? Anyone a Grasshopper user? Not really? Okay, I said, you know what? Well, what's this Grasshopper stuff? I said, okay, I can do Grasshopper. So I actually modeled a Grasshopper inside of Dynamo. Okay? And I said, okay, I can do it. See, you can do this crazy complicated geometry in Dynamo. But this, from a practical standpoint, right, this is not going to help you when you're trying to do your column and wall modeling, right? And you're trying to put views on sheets. This is not going to help you, right? It's cool. It's not going to help you. I said, okay, I'll do one more thing. I've done quite a few things, but has anyone seen, I actually modeled an elephant in Revit a few years ago. Anyone seen that or know about it? Okay, I said, well, can I do that in Dynamo? Absolutely. Okay, this is the Revit elephant inside of Dynamo. And if anyone was at the lab, we did some fun stuff too. And the lab actually does get repeated, I believe, at 1:30 today. So if you're not signed up, you can always stand in the back and see it. Okay, you're like, yeah, Marcel, that's all cool, fine, and dandy. But how does this apply to me? Right, so today I'm going to show you these examples.